What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video we're going to do the review of this Veapoot pump. As you can basically see, this is a car air pump. As you can basically see, just unbox it let you guys see basically what's inside. You can basically see this is the template inside. See right here. So right here we got some little pump. So this can basically use to pump any ball or any football, anything like that. Right here we have a battery. As you can basically see, we have the AC port right here that can basically use to charge this battery right here. We have the bar indicator that how many charge this basically have. As you can basically see, and this right here is 20 volt. Right here we have the plug. So this can basically plug inside your car in your cigarette lighter. This is slot right here, the post inside the battery. Plug inside the battery. We have the AC adapter right here as well. So guys, this is the battery right here. So we can choose the battery. We can charge the battery two ways. We can charge the battery with the AC adapter right here. All we have to do is plug this into right here, and this can plug into a power supply. As you can see, there's some light right here, which means that it's battery plugged in. Or we can plug it with our AC right here inside right here, and plug this part right here into our car, basically charge inside our car with our cigarette lighter slot. And now I have right here guys the pump itself, which is looking pretty neat. As you guys can see right here, we have the indication right here at the back that shows the pressure gauge and those things. Right here you have the pump. We can attach these depending on the type of things we are pumping. As you can see on the box right here, we have vehicle, trucks, SUV, and those things that we can pump right here. We can pump even ball, which these you can see right here. So for this test, we will test it on our car. So we're just gonna use this right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to hook up our battery. But the thing that I love about this as well, it comes with this carrying cage that you can basically carry it around, which is looking pretty neat. As you can see, this is a bonus right here. So this is the pump right now guys. We are going to attach the battery to it, just like so. This is the indication right there, light as well, and the right here. So we're going to try and press the button, power button right here. The power button basically indicate the amount of percentage the battery has in it right now. So you press it right here, you can see that this is full charge with 3 bars. As you can see right here, you have the indication right here as well, pressure, PSI, and we can basically set this to 0, gauge it with this right here. So we're gonna test it now on our car. See, press the trigger right here. Alright guys, so this gauge right here and here should indicate the amount of air that you want to put inside any tire or anything like that. So for example, right here set it to 33. So we can basically increase it or decrease it right here, which shows the amount of air that you want to put it into something. So whenever this reach amount, it will basically automatically stop. As you can basically see guys, in this right here we have at least 21.5. So the target that we want to reach is 34, as you can basically see right there. So we can basically change the target, so then put this to 32. So we're gonna just start it right now. So as you can see guys, when you reach the desired amount, it automatically stops. You don't have to press anything right there, which is really great. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful.